Hi all, welcome to Vidyu's channel. Today I'm going to show you guys the oil to apply the hair. So it will reduce the hair fall. I have tried it, so I liked it. So I thought, okay, I'll share with all my friends. For this, we need a little bit of coconut oil. I took organic coconut oil. We will get it in all stores, organic. I ordered from Amazon, and also castor oil. This is also I ordered from Amazon, organic castor oil, and methi seeds. You will get this in any Indian stores or in Amazon also. You can order, I guess. And so this is curry leaf powder. Get them from the store, any store, and clean them properly and dry them in within the house. Okay, don't put under the sun. I never tried that. And then once they become dry, I grinded them, just a plain curry leaves powder, and I put it in the ziploc and I'll put it in the fridge. So whenever I need curry leaves, I just if I don't have it handy, I just use this powder. So maybe this is also useful for you guys. Try this. This will holds good for 6 to 7 months, because we this is a dry leaves, right? So it's good. The powder is good for 6 to 7 months if you place in the fridge. So these are the four ingredients we need: coconut oil, castor oil, and methi seeds, and curry leaf powder. Okay, just take a small bowl. I took the clay pot, small clay pot. I'll just keep it like this only for months. That's why I took this. It had lid also, so once I use it, I just close this. Put it in a flame under the stove with a low flame. Make sure you put in the low flame, and first put little bit of methi seeds. I took around half teaspoon, and then put coconut oil. I put around 4 to 5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add castor oil. Like I add, like if I put 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, I put 1 tablespoon of castor oil in this. So now I am putting just approximately, but this is measurements I think we can use 2:1. Make sure the flame is low. Put this. Ratio is 1:2. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of castor oil. Okay, perfect. Then put half teaspoon of curry powder. Make sure you mix them well so that curry powder also mixed inside of the oil, and heat this under low flame for up to, I would say, 5 minutes, because I took very less, little bit of this. So this will come for me around 1 month. This much amount will come for my hair. I also apply to my kids whenever they go, once a week or twice a week. It's good for hair actually. Hair fall, basically what I noticed is it reduced my hair fall. I really impressed with this. So try it. Then once this is heated, you can, it needs to come to boiling stage, 1 point. Then you can turn it off. It is heating right now. You can see bubbles there, right? Okay. So I think we can turn it off. I am turning it off right now. Once it is little warming stage, heat is temperature is reduced and it came to the warming, then you can apply to your hair like same. Don't filter it, just keep it like this only. It will stay up to 1 month easily because I tried it. Then after 5 to 10 minutes it becomes like this. So now it is ready to apply. It is little warm, so it will not burn our hands. Take this and apply to the hair. Don't apply too much to the scalp, just it will help for the remaining hair, like it will not break, and it will give some good health to the hair. It will warm, then just close the lid and put it in any dry place. We don't need to put it into the refrigerator also. Just put it in a dry place, and whenever you need it, you just warm it and you apply it. So make sure you warm it. The little remedy for our hair fall, this is really helpful. Try it. Hope you guys enjoy it. So I applied for my both kids. I don't know about us kids under 14 years. I'm not sure whether we can apply or not for them, but I applied for my kids above 14 years. So they also liked it. It's not sticky. Don't apply too much. Just apply a little bit and make sure it is applied all over the hair, and comb it after you apply it. You can use it now. So just mix it well with a spoon, or you can use your hand. Make sure it is dry hand, and then take little bit of oil like this and apply to your hair, all over the hair, so that it will apply properly. Don't apply too much to the scalp. Just make sure to apply here itself. Maybe you can put little bit on the scalp, but not too much. Apply here clearly, and then comb it nicely. Brush it and comb it. You can keep it for 2 to 3 hours and wash your hair, or else you can keep it overnight also. Close the lid and put it in a dry place.